Hey guys, it's Raquel. Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my DIY protein treatment with just 3 ingredients. That's the avocado, eggs, and honey. This treatment is just good for damaged hair, for dry hair, when you feel like your hair is so dry. This treatment is just perfect for that. And it also moisturizes your hair, strengthens your hair, gives it a beautiful shine, but most importantly, it's going to help your hair grow longer, stronger, and healthier. So this time I'm making this treatment to pump my hair. I've just removed a protective hairstyle, so my hair is super dry. It needs this. So here you use a spoon to scoop out the avocado, and I suggest you get a ripe avocado. Don't get like the one I'm having right now. It's not ripe like I wanted it to be. But yeah, the quantity I got, it's just enough for my hair. You mash it. I'm mashing the avocado using a spoon, but you can blend it if you want. You can use a blender. I just wanted to use a spoon. It was much easier for me. Then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm using raw honey. In case you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing and join the family. Then start sharing your natural hair journey with us. This channel, it's not all about me to teach you what to do, but it's for us to learn from each other. So if you know anything better, if you know anything that can work better, anything that I can add on this protein treatment to make it better, just comment in the comment section below. I would be glad to read it and improve my protein treatment. I personally used 1 egg, but you can use 2 depending on the volume of your hair. And this treatment, it has no measurements. You can use any quantity of any ingredient. It depends on your hair volume. So after adding the egg, I realized that the bowl was too small for me to mix everything up. So I decided to change to a bigger container. Then I went on and added some lavender oil to give my treatment a beautiful scent. Then yeah, your treatment is ready to use. I'm going to post the video when I'm using it next, so stay tuned.